Hello everyone, my name is Terry and today I'll be demonstrating a full tutorial on how to claim an API and publishing it. So after signing, go into My Resources and to click on the API Marketplace. So here's a list of all the APIs we have, and now we click on the Unclaimed section. Here I like to click on Show 100 rows, that makes it easier for you to browse. We also have extra pages to show more APIs. So I've already picked out this API. So now, after you choosing an API, you click on the Review Vendor. Now here you need to fill the steps. So click on Review Vendor here. And now you need to fill out the information here. So here you can just drop in the logo. And here's the name. So now we need to have a homepage URL for it. And after give it a description. Now we need to fill in the licenses as well. So here's the terms of use. And here's also the URL for their privacy policy. So now, after you've done filling out the information, you click on Update. So now after you've finished reviewing the vendor, now you need to review the API. Now I search here, you search in for the API for the vendor that you've chosen. So now you click on their documentation, and here it shows you the documentation for all the APIs. So here it says the first API is an active API. So this must be their documentation for the first API. So now you need to fill in the information here. So here it says version 2. And active is sports. So that's why we fill in sport for the category. And this is the link for the API URL. And now we need to give it a description of what the API does. So now you click on Update, and now you need to review the second API here. It is related to campsite searching. So here, this is the campsite search API that we're looking for. And again, we do the same thing. So now we're looking for the version number. And since it doesn't say, I'll just leave it as 1. The category is the same thing. And here's the URL. Again, it's asking for the description of the API. So this is here is what we're looking for. Now we click on update, and now we look on the third API. So now it's asking for camping. So again, we do the same thing. The version number is also 1, and it's also related to sports. And here we give the home page, and then we need a description. And here we click on update. After you've reviewed the vendor and reviewed all the APIs, now we can claim our vendor. And then we click to claim. So now, this is how you claim an API.